Udah mulai.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang di channel saya, channel Petualangan Official Batam. Kali ini saya akan membuat tutorial cara membuat pancing sederhana dengan menggunakan bulu alias bambu dengan bahan-bahannya seperti peniti. Oke, ikutin terus tutorial kita channel Petualangan. Perjalanan kita ke pantai memakan waktu sekitar 30 menitan. Di posisi pantainya ada di Batu Ampar. Ini kita lagi ada di Melcam. Ikutin terus perjalanan kita. Let's go.
Raise a cup up for all my day ones. Two middle fingers for the haters. Let's only get in great.
Maaf ya guys, videonya saya potong karena kelamaan menuju ke pantainya. Jadi kita persingkat aja videonya. Ikutin terus petualangan kita.
How you make it in your team still stay the same. Stay down from the jump and they never change. Man, it's a moment I could never trade. Yeah, I told my moms not to stress no more. Go hit the Bentley store and no credit card debts no more. I bought the crib and it's an escrow now, so you don't never have to worry about how you gon' pay rent no more. I put my team.
Nah, di sini sudah mau mendekati pantainya.
Masuk pantainya gratis. Di sini banyak orang jualan macam-macam aneka makanan murah meriah.
Swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. Listen the way you touch me. I don't know much about love, but I keep on checking my phone to see when you're home or when you want me to pull up. But one and the same, you got me caught in the days. I love it when you say my name real slow. All my love is yours. I'm swimming everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. I'm swimming in everything.
Saya percepatankan aja videonya biar gak lama nunggunya. Nah, sudah sampai pantainya sangat dekat dengan negara tetangga Singapura.
YouTube-nya.
I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep.
Kan mensupport suami. Ini babu di rumah. Tukang cuci gosok. Ini dayang-dayang.
Charge me. I don't know much about
Ini
love,
gelapnya.
but I keep on checking my phone to see when you're home or when you want me to pull up. But one and the same, you got me caught in the days. I love it when you say my name real slow. All my love is yours.
Oke, langsung saja tutorialnya.
About jumping in it, instead I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. I'm swimming in everything. Said I'm thinking about jumping in it. Said I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head, inside my head. Every time you move, you're looking like you're dancing. I think that you could have it. Everything you do, I wanna do it with you. Don't ever wanna miss you. I'm swimming in everything. Said I'm thinking about jumping in it. Said I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head. I'm swimming in everything. Said I'm thinking about jumping in it. Said I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head, inside my head.
Talinya menggunakan plastik bekas. Tinggal pasang rel pancing. Giliran pasangan senar pancing.
Full of spices, gotta savor every slice. I have surprises on the corner. I can't predict, I can't pretend. Just have to make them yours and tell directly. Open the doors. Dancing like no one is watching. Love and laughter. There's no time to stop. Right now we are alive. Let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free. Every moment is a gift. You cannot see. No need to worry about tomorrow's conflicts. Just enjoy the moment. Make the most of life.
Umpannya cacing.
Getting lost in the flow. Unexpected to flow. Stand and flow. You're getting lost in the flow. Unexpected to party. Give control. Living, getting lost in flow. Unexpected surprises during the night. Celebrate the joy that shines so bright. Love is in the air. We are taking flight. Let's dance all night. It's so good. Feeling so good. Dancing like no one is watching. Love and laughter. There's no time to stop. Right now we are alive. Let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free every moment. In tomorrow's conflicts, just enjoy the moment. Make the most of life. Catch me in the zone, flow to the beat. Unexpected surprises make life so sweet. There's no time for worries, just enjoying the ride. Every moment, savoring the vibe. Dancing through the rhythm like there's no tomorrow. From highs to lows, I'm embracing the sadness. Life is full of twists and turns, you know it's true. But when unexpected surprises arise, I wait. Dancing like no one is watching. Love it. There's no time to stop. Right now we are alive. Let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free. Every moment is a gift. You cannot say no. If worry, you need to worry about tomorrow's conflict. Just enjoy the moment, make the most of life. Dancing like no one is watching. Love and laughter, in a place you don't know. Live life without regrets.
Dapat ikan baronang. Terima kasih sudah menonton.